Hey everyone, in this video we are going to show you how you can send personalized WhatsApp messages from Google Sheets. For that you need to click on this button. All you have to do is provide the Google Sheet URL to the plugin. Let me open the Google Sheet where my data is located and show it to you. Yes, but make a note of one thing here. If you are seeing an XLSX icon like this in your file, then it means that you have actually opened an Excel file in a Google Sheet, and this URL won't work. You won't be able to load the data in the plugin. So what you can do instead is either convert this file into a Google Sheet file or download this as an XLS file and then send message using an Excel sheet. Coming back to my Google Sheet, I copy the URL and provide it to my plugin. I need to select the sheet and this will show you the number of recipients in my contact list. But remember, two most important fields that you must have in your data is a phone number, the recipient's number to which you want to send WhatsApp to, and the actual message you want to send. It can be a generic message that you want to send to all, or you can create a personalized message using the formulas. In the next step, you get a preview of the data you have selected. This looks alright, so I go in the next. Here you need to map the fields correctly. This step is crucial for the plugin to know where to find the phone number and messages you want to send. So phone number field and message field is what you need to map. By default, it selects the country code based on your settings. However, there are various customizations available to suit your data. My phone number is a field in phone and the message I want to send is a personalized message. I select that and I go to the next step. This is an important one. We don't want WhatsApp to think that you are a robot. So set a reasonable time delay between messages. By that, you kind of mimic the individual sending behavior. We recommend around 10 to 15 seconds between each message, but you can increase it if you want. And now it's time to hit send. The messages will start going out and you will see in real time the stats of how many messages were sent successfully, and if there are any errors with the number or message or anything else, that will be shown here as well. So you saw how easy and amazing it is to send personalized WhatsApp messages in bulk from your Google Sheet directly. If you found this video helpful, please go ahead and give this tool a try. I will provide the link to download the plugin down below in the description box. Thank you.